Before you are going to factorize this equation, you're supposed to make sure that you are going to take this 2 and move to the left side, because on the right side we want to have 0. So we have x squared minus x minus 2 is equal 0. Now, so this is the example of the general quadratic equation. Factorize. Parenthesis equals 0. We have x times x gives me x squared. The numbers which I'm supposed to write over here multiply by each other supposed to give me -2, and add to each other supposed to give me -1. They are -2 plus 1. -2 times 1 is -2. -2 plus 1 gives me -1. So, in order to make left side equal to the right side, one of these factors or both of them supposed to be equal 0. So what I'm supposed to do? Just make each one of them equal 0. X minus 2 is equal 0, or x plus 1 is equal 0. In order to find the value of x, I have to move 2 to the right side, and I have x is equal 2. This is my first answer, and I have x equals -1 because I have to move 1 to the right side. And this is my second root or second answer. In order to verify your answers, you're supposed to take the original equation and every x substitute by 2 and later on by -1. So copy down the original equation. X squared minus x is equal 2. X is equal to, we said, so I have 2 to the second power minus 2 is equal 2. 2 to the second is equal 4. 4 minus 2 is equal 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 equals 2. Left side of my equation is equal to the right side, so this is the correct answer. Now let's check this one. We have x squared minus x is equal 2. So I have -1 to the second power minus -1 equals 2. -1 to the second power is equal 1. Negative times negative gives me positive is equal 2. 1 plus 1 is equal 2. 2 is equal 2. So this answer is also correct. So I can say that these two values of x are the solutions to my problem.